Hello everyone, welcome to M Electrical YouTube channel. I hope you all are good. Today we will discuss about different features of transformer. Every concept on this topic will be cleared, so you have to watch the video till end. Features of transformer. That means the characteristic or the properties a transformer should have. We will discuss here one by one. First, we will see it is a constant frequency device. Every country has its own fixed frequency. We have already told that in India the frequency is 50 Hz. Whether it is a device or any type of machine, if it uses AC alternating current, then for that current in India the frequency is 50 Hz and that is fixed. Next, it is a constant power device. That means the power of input port and the output port are equal. That means the input port power E1 I1 and the output port have E2 I2. These are equal. The third point is it is a constant flux device, but voltage and current changes. See here, constant flux. That means the phi m, the flux which is confined to this magnetic core, is fixed. It never changes. But the voltage and current changes. That means in case of step up transformer, the N2, that means the secondary number of turn are more. So E2 is more, E2 is greater than E1, but I2 will be less than I1. Just reverse case in case of step down transformer. That means it is clear that the input port and output port voltage and current can be changed, but their multiplication, that means the power E1 I1 must be equal to E2 I2. It is a electromagnetic energy conversion device. That means transformer is a energy conversion device, we already know. In our first video we have already discussed about it. Now the word electromagnetic, that means the electric energy from the primary winding is being converted to secondary winding via a magnetic part. That's why in primary it is electric, secondary also electric, but in between them there is magnetic part. That's why it is called electromagnetic energy conversion device. It is a magnetically coupled and electrically isolated device. Again, the same point, magnetically coupled and electrically isolated. Here you can see the primary winding and the secondary winding are isolated. That means they are separated from each other, but they are coupled, they are connected via magnetic core. That means they are electrically isolated, but they are connected via a magnetic path. That's why magnetically coupled. Next, it is a two-port network. two port. That means in this figure you can see two port mean here it is input port and here it is input port and here it is output port. The VP, IP, that means the input port voltage and current respectively. In the output port, it is Vs, Is, the voltage and current of output port or secondary port respectively. Next, it is a negative feedback system. If you know about control system, then you must know this thing that closed loop control system has two parts: negative feedback system and positive feedback system. You must know the negative feedback system has more stability than positive feedback system and less noise than positive feedback system. This type of several good properties a negative feedback system have than positive feedback system. That's why transformer is a negative feedback system. It offers 180-degree phase shift between output and input. When we'll discuss about the phasor diagram of transformer, then we'll see this type of figure. Here you can see the input voltage and the output voltage V2 and V1 are 180 degree. That means they are of opposite direction. It is saying here that it offers 180 degree phase shift between output and input. So the input V1 and the output voltage V2, they are just of opposite direction. That means they are of 180 degree phase shift. These are the features or the properties of a transformer. These properties are always a transformer have, whether it is ideal transformer or practical transformer. Irrespective of that, a transformer always possesses these properties. If you have any doubt regarding this topic or any other topic which is related to electrical engineering, then you can inform us or drop your question in the comment section below. Our contact is given in the video description. Without hesitation, you contact, we will give you the solution. Remember, one like, one inspiration. If you have learned something new in this video, then only hit the like button and subscribe the channel. We will meet soon with a new interesting topic. Till then, take care, be safe, goodbye.